until the day I die. I'll spill my heart for you, until the day I die. I'll spill my heart for you. Hey everyone, Blaze Guitar Lessons, thanks for tuning in. The song was requested. This is Until the Day I Die by Story of the Year. This is a great punk song when I was growing up, so I really do appreciate the request. I'm showing you how to play the acoustic version of it, alright? So I hope that's good. If you want me to get more detailed and show you how to do the intro part, I can probably do that for you. It's not super difficult. Alright, so, but let's get into it. So standard tuning, no capo or anything. Again, this is just the acoustic version. If you guys have other requests, please let me know in the comments, and I'll be more than happy to do those, get to those if I can. I can't do every song, but there's a lot that I can do, so I'll do my best on those. And then also please hit like and subscribe so you can get notified when I come out with new ones. I would ask that if I come out with a tutorial for you guys, if you'll at least just hit the like button when I do a video for you. I would just appreciate it. All right. So okay, let's get into it. Okay, so for the intro, which is also the chorus, you're gonna do G. Doesn't matter which G you do. Okay, you're gonna do until the day I die. So you're doing G, A, B minor. I'd spill my heart for you. So you're doing G is until the day I die. Okay, so G is until, day is A, day I die. Die is B minor. I'll is G. You do G right before you say I'll spill my heart is A, heart for you. So U is B minor, for you. Then you go back to G right after U, until the day I die. Okay, so A is day again, okay? Day I die. Die is B minor, so just like the beginning of it. I'll spill my heart, okay, heart is A, heart for you, for you, for you. You're gonna do B minor, D, G, and you're gonna do this twice. B minor, D, G. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the strumming pattern. Okay, it's so down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay, so you're just doing down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so it's just that same thing pretty much throughout the song. Now the verses, the chord progression for the verses is different. So you're going to do B minor, as years. So you do as years is B minor. Years go by. Okay, by is G. By, I'd raise the clock. Clock is D. Clock for you. Oh, sorry, with you. With you. U is A. You. But if you died. Okay, died is B minor. Died right now. Okay, so right after now you're doing G. Now you know that I'd is D. I died too. Okay, so after 2 is A. 2, I died too. Okay, so then after 2 you do B minor. You remind me, let's see. You remind me of. Okay, so B minor is on you. Me is G. Me of the times when I knew who I. Okay, so D is like on when, and then A is on when I knew who I was, who I was. And you go to B minor, still a second hand, hand is G, hand will catch us. Okay, then you do D after us, like it always is A, always does. Okay, and then you're gonna go until, so then you go into the chorus. Okay, well, I can't remember if there's more lyrics there or not actually, but so the verses are just like that, okay? The same chord progression and everything. So the difference is when you get to the bridge, you're gonna do B minor, A, G. Then you do A. All right, so it's bag, okay? Bag a bag is what we're gonna do here. So if it helps you, it helps me remember sometimes if it spells a word. And I'm sorry guys about my lighting. Things have been crazy here. We had like crazy wind and it's knocked over a bunch of trees and power lines and stuff. So I'm doing this very makeshift today. Not that it's super, not that my regular videos are super high quality anyway, but okay, so it's gonna be my hands at your, my hands are at your throat. Okay, so it's B minor. My hands are at your throat. And I think I hate you. Okay, so you're gonna do just that B minor, B minor, A, G, A, and B minor, A. You're just gonna do that throughout the bridge. Okay, B minor, A, G, A. So bag a bag. All right, and then you're gonna go to the chorus again. Until the day I die. I'd spill my heart for you. Super easy to play for you. Okay, let me know if you guys have any questions and stuff. Sorry, I know it's just acoustic, so I didn't show you the intro part, but I can learn that if you guys need me to. So anyway, it's been a lot of fun. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.